The last 12 months, I've had the opportunity to step into positions and act up, which is a real honour to be asked in the first place, and given the opportunity by council to better my skills and my leadership and give me opportunities where I thought I'd never have the opportunity to do so. So yeah, it's a massive honour, and I'm very thankful to be put in this situation where I am looking after the green space areas. I take massive pride in it. I'd want that to be my backyard if it was mine. It's a really rewarding job. Stepping up last year was a massive step for me as well. Just how you would manage people, individuals, opportunities I got to do things that were out of my comfort zone, learning opportunities I got from that. So what I value most about working at council is that I value the work that I do, the community using our parks that I maintain and my team maintain. It's a great honour to see everybody using those parks. The council is supporting me with the study at the moment. I'm currently doing my Cert 4 in leadership management and Cert 4 in work health and safety, which is quite a challenge, but it's something that I want to do. And as I said, they've given me the opportunity again to better myself as a person